Hello everyone, welcome to a new video, and today I'll be teaching you how to enter and exit safe mode on your Galaxy A16, all versions, okay? First, you're going to press the power button along with the volume down button. Press both together, and when the phone shows this screen, you'll release both buttons. Now you're going to press and hold the power off button. Now safe mode will appear. You'll click here, and the phone will restart. When it turns back on, it will be in safe mode, okay? The phone turned back on, as you can see down here on the left side, it's in safe mode. When the phone enters safe mode, it's important to swipe down on the right side of the screen and turn off airplane mode so you can reconnect to the network and internet, okay? Now, to exit safe mode, you'll press the same buttons until this screen appears. Release both buttons, and now, very importantly, you'll restart the phone by clicking this option. We click here again, and when the phone turns back on, it will no longer be in safe mode, okay? So that was today's video. I hope I helped. If I helped, don't forget to like, leave your comment down below, and if possible, subscribe to the channel for more videos.